Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we are in San Antonio, Texas with our good friend Chris Goforth of the Chris Goforth channel, and we're going geocaching. Look this way. Really? Really?
They're just little small little rattlers.
Yeah. I can see electrical wires. I'm going to stay away from those.
Me too.
Yeah.
So Terry brought out his big shtick with his camera on the end of it. It's Insta360 X5. Look how huge this thing is.
That's what she said.
Hey, there's a deer right in front of you.
Whoa. Bambi.
Yeah, she's just looking at you. Oh, there's a bunch of
Two,
them.
yeah.
One laying against the tree over here.
Yeah, that's one I saw. Hey, dear.
Don't mind us humans.
Oh, there's a bunch, yeah. How to tell you're not in the UK anymore? You get that close to that wildlife because they aren't scared of us.
Well, to be fair,
Yeah.
the stick was 20 feet away from you.
Ooh, I think a geocache is somewhere here. Okay, people, I've seen bugs, I've seen deer, I've just seen a lizard. I'm waiting to see a snake. If you're seeing this, it means that I'm alive. If you don't see, stop picking things up. If you've not seen this, then yeah, I didn't make it. Chris is kicking around rocks on the ground for no apparent reason. I don't know why he's doing it because we're nowhere near the cache yet.
I thought we were.
No,
Okay.
it's that way. Right, I am around where the geocache says it is, but I'm so scared to touch anything in case something comes out and bites my ass. Stop touching me! Yeah, it's supposed to be here, Chris, right where we are. So, you're going up there, see if you can spot it.
It's camouflage, you said?
It's camouflaged. We should check to see if it's been found lately, shouldn't we? Well, to see if it's actually been found. It was found on the 31st of May. Huh. Ah, the GPS is about 23 feet out. Huh. Well, according to Chris, he seemed to have found it. It did say that it was about 23 feet out from the GPS, it had been removed. Aha! The geocache. Dun dun dun. Well, now that we found it, I want to get off this area and onto the pavement because it sounds like Pandora here. You know, of the movie Avatar, with all the things rattling and clicking and making funny noises. And we're standing in their home.
Give it a week.
Even the plant has just tried to eat me.
I'll watch out for the cactus.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You would think I'd be happy to be on the pavement, away from all the stingy, bitey, scratchy grrr animals. Ooh, airplane. 2 seconds, look up. Anywho, now I'm melting. I just wish you could feel how hot it is. In fact, I might put a sepia tone over this, like what they do in films when it's in Mexico, to give the illusion of heat.
It's not hot.
I'm melting. Come all the way to Texas, and guess what I find? The poop bag! At least they don't grow on trees here.
They're international.
They just grow on the ground. Back home, they grow on the trees. I didn't film that one, but we didn't find it. This heat is brutal. He doesn't think so. He doesn't think so.
Even used to it.
Yeah. Terry's not used to it. Terry's going to the car and getting some AC, and then go looking for some drive-by geocaches, which are far, far better in heat like this.
Celsius, so it says it's 34 Celsius.
Hot.
$20.93. It's different.
Now we're going to the app. There's meant to be one just around this corner and up this trail back into the oven. Not quite done yet. Well, as you may tell, the heat got the better of us, so we decided to call it a. Came back, cooled off, and then went to the cinema to watch Mission Impossible. Anywho, see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job. Look at the size of Chris's big deck.